Do you want to automate your WhatsApp messages completely for free without spending a single cent or needing to know how to code? In this video, we're going to show you how to create a WhatsApp bot that answers messages automatically. And the best part is that you don't need any technical skills at all. You will just need to copy the single file that we are providing for free. Let's get started. Our project begins with the installation of Python. All you need to do is visit the official Python website and download the installer. We are going to use the Windows version as our example in this tutorial. Once the installer is downloaded, simply double-click it to begin the setup. Now, pay close attention here. On the very first screen of the installer, you must check this box. This step is crucial for everything else to work perfectly later on. When the Python installation is finished, you can easily verify it with a simple command in your command prompt. Just press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box, and then type CMD and hit Enter. When the CMD window opens, type the command Python version and hit Enter. If everything is set up correctly, it will display the word Python followed by the version number. Our next step is to install Selenium, which is the tool that allows our script to control the browser. In the command prompt, execute the installation command pip install Selenium. The next command is to install ChromeDriver. Just type each command exactly, as we are showing it. Next, you need to create a folder for your bot anywhere you like on your computer. To make this incredibly easy for you, we are leaving the complete, ready-to-use automation script in the video description and in the pinned comment for free. Just download that file and copy it directly inside your new bot folder. Now, we need to navigate into this folder using the command prompt. Click on the address bar at the top of your folder window to copy its file path. At the same time, look at which drive your folder is located in. If it is in the C drive, simply type the command cd, paste the folder path, and press Enter. However, if your folder is on a different drive or a USB flash drive, like in our example, you must first type the drive letter followed by a colon, which in our case is E, and press Enter to switch drives. After that, type cd, paste the path, and hit Enter to access the folder. Once you are inside the bot folder where our script file is saved, type this command to execute the script. As soon as you do this, the browser will open automatically and display the WhatsApp web QR code. Grab your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the menu, and tap on Link Devices. Then, tap on Link a Device. When your phone camera opens, point it directly at the QR code on your computer screen. Once connected, you can give the connection any name you like and tap Save. Back on your computer, the bot will display the stages of the process, showing the message login successful. This means your connection was successful and is ready to go. And if you want to test it right now, you can simply send a message from another phone number to your bot's WhatsApp account. When the message arrives, the system will show that a new chat was found. It will open the conversation, read the incoming text, reply with your predefined custom message, and then close the chat window to wait for new messages. If the person replies again, the bot will instantly open the chat, read the message, and respond. You can easily use this example script of ours to write whatever automated reply fits your needs. As everyone can see, setting this up is incredibly simple. But if you face any difficulties or run into any errors, don't worry. Just leave a comment below or contact our specialized technical support team, and we will help you step by step. Our support contact information is located right down in the description and in the pinned comment. This support is entirely free for subscribers of our channel. All you have to do is subscribe and leave a like on this video to get access to our team for free. In our upcoming videos, we're going to bring you much more robust bot options, features that can even be sold, where you can make money by implementing automation for local companies and businesses. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.